I don't think I'm the only one who likes to have home-baked cookies with tea or coffee, and I'm going to show this all-time favorite, ginger cookies or ginger nuts. This is a simple and easy recipe. I'm using wholemeal flour instead of using plain flour. So for this recipe, I'm using 200 grams wholemeal flour and 100 grams brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, 90 grams softened butter, and 120 grams golden syrup or 120 milliliters, 1 tablespoonful powdered ginger, or either you can use fresh ginger instead. So let's start doing this. Put the butter into the mixing bowl. When you make cookies, make sure to use the paddle attachment always. Now into the butter, going to add the sugar, add the ginger powder, and mix the butter, sugar, and ginger about 2-3 minutes until it combines everything together. Once it is ready, it's the time to add the bicarbonate of soda and then the golden syrup. I measured 115 grams of golden syrup. It's the same as milliliters. And if you can weigh that directly into the mixing bowl, that's the best. And then increase the speed. Add the flour little by little. Once the flour mixed with the butter and the golden syrup, now it's the time to increase the speed and do it about 1 minute. If you feel like it's stuck to the bottom, always scrape the ends. That way it mixes equally. So once you mix it, let's take a little bit and see the texture has to be like this. It's a bit crumbly, and it's not coming onto your fingers too. So let's take it out. If you have a cookie scoop, take a scoopful of the mixture and drop into sugar. Dropping into sugar is not a must. You can do it if you like more sweetness, and it will look nice too, and it will not stick onto your palm. So let's do another one. Once you drop it, take it, make a nice ball, press, and leave it on the cookie sheet. It's exactly 20 cookies. So at this point, the oven needs to be preheated to 180 Celsius. And I'm going to bake this about 15 minutes on 180. The ginger cookies are ready, and this is how it is. Take it out in 15 minutes and leave it on the tray to cool down completely. They are nice and crispy. And if you do with the same size of the spoon, it comes like all the same size. And if I break one, inside gooey, outside very crispy. And this is a really nice recipe to go with tea or coffee. And you can store this in airtight containers about 2 weeks. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.